Hey everybody, it's Donna. This is Donna the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a currently page for you for April. I know today is only the 11th, but you know that April is going to sneak up on us just like bam, and it's going to be here. So I want to go ahead and get this filmed. So I just want to say welcome everybody. Thank you for all the new subscribers out there for staying tuned and supporting my channel and subscribing. And for all of my original subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. It really, really means a lot to me. So let's get started. We're doing an April currently page from my dashboard planner. I did a little pre-pull. So I got some pretty florals and flowers. Now, the florals that I used in this plan was, on this spread, was these little sheets that, and I got these, you can see it in my haul video. These came from the Dollar Tree. And they're very thin, like they're not really raised up really high. So these came from the Dollar Tree. So these flowers that you're going to see on here that are the big vibrant flowers, those came from the Dollar Tree. And I didn't like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, let's see, I have to wipe all of that out right there, because some of that is going to show through, and I don't want that to happen. And so the day I'm filming this is the 11th, and it's actually Thursday, March the 11th, and whew, today was a butt kicker, that's all I'm going to say. Like, it was busy at work. Whew. Can I just say, I'm beat. I am tired. So I've got all that whited out, and I don't think the rest of this is going to matter much. Let's see. I just want to make sure stuff's not going to be all crazy on here. That is looking pretty good. Okay. I don't want to give too much of it away. So I want this little sunshine up here because it reminds me of my grandbaby. My grandbabies, I should say. I got two of them now. So, and I want to put this April. Oh, I am so sorry. I've been making a really bad habit, and I am so sorry, guys. I do apologize. I'm using Colorful Florals sticker book, and I did a flip through of this book. So if you haven't seen the flip through, the haul that I did from Michael's, please catch that video. And remember, guys, I'm doing a giveaway, and it's not going to be time for it to end till the end of March 31st. And I also used colorful boxes, and I also used this colorful boxes as well. So those were the sticker books that I used, and I apologize for not. I think I had a couple videos where I don't even think I mentioned the sticker books I was using, and I feel really super bad about that because that is just not okay. So let's just turn this around, and I'm going to center this. I went ahead and put down the April. Let's see if I can get this about right. There. Turn this back around, and I love it. It just brings some vibrancy there. So now I'm going to put, I love these. Like, they're humongous. But I love them so much. Alrighty. And then I have the petals that's on those. And I just wanted to make it look like they were just going like all over the place. So I just sort of put them a little bit everywhere. And then I love this bright green grow sticker. Yeah, that's that's gonna, yeah, that'll be good. Just want to make sure I got all this lined up correctly. Okay. And then just some little, different little, like, lines from one of the, I think this one was from the colorful boxes with all of the, this one. So you see all those different little circles and lines and stuff. Okay, and then I just put a little info banner on this one. I just feel like, you know, April showers, and then you have, you know, brings May flowers. But, you know, if you even remotely live in the sticker world and you plan, you're using some florals. So I'm just saying, and I'm just making this less shady on here. I just like to really make sure those are down good and it doesn't show all those little edges. Then I'm just going to put this little petal right there. I really love pre-pulling. I know a lot of planners don't. Planner people don't do that. And that's great. You know, if that's the drummer that you're marching to, you do you. You know, it's all about individuality. And I do this for two reasons. It saves you time, and it saves me time, and it keeps me sane. Because if I had to do each one of these videos and just walk you through it, first of all, you would probably be ready to put your foot through the TV. Because, believe it or not, I do get, I knew that was not going to turn out right. I do get very indecisive about things. And, you know, that's not good. And I don't know. I drive myself crazy, guys. You know? And I don't want to do that to you guys. Because I get aggravated with myself trying to figure out, okay, do I like that? Do I not like that? Where am I going to put this sticker down? So on and so forth. And, sorry, that was my computer. It's going to be a hot mess trying to get this up. Okay. I didn't totally tear it up. I am so sorry. I should have, something told me it wasn't going to fit right. Just like I went yesterday. I got to tell y'all a story. To pick up my, well, we were leaving work. I had my grandbaby with me. And, come on. I'll tear the page all to pieces. So I decided, oh, I'm going to take this route, okay? And went down the route. And you know when something tells you, don't go that way. Go this way. Listen. Just listen. That's all I'm saying. Because guess what? A tractor trailer had tried to make a curve here in good old West Virginia. And you know us and our mountains and our curves. And it laid itself over in the ditch. So what does that mean? That means, well, all the people that were in traffic obviously didn't know how to drive, is what I found out very quickly. And didn't know how to back up. Another thing they didn't know how to do. So instead of saving an hour, guess what? We lost an hour. So I wasn't a happy girl. But what did I learn from this? Two, there's a lot of crazy drivers around here that do not know crap about driving. And couldn't back up if their life depended on it. And if you're driving a big truck, don't go around a big tight curve in West Virginia, because you're going to get in the ditch and you're going to wreck your rig. And when that little voice in your head says, no, go this way, listen. Just listen. It's like, for real, if I would have just listened. And, you know, my whole thing is, I hate wasting time. It is a big pet peeve with me. I just feel like, you know, time is precious, and I don't like wasting it for any reason. I'm just going to put that right there. And I just feel like it made me mad. It was like, really? I really seriously just did not waste all that time. So yeah, I wasn't a happy girl. But, you know, we got home safely, and it's all fine now. Just saying. All right, let's try this again, shall we? That's a little better. So I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to put a, let's see. Let's take these little labels. And first, I need to take this off here. Okay, put that right there, and then I'm going to take this big box that I want over here in the other corner, and I'm going to put it down. Not too shabby. Or as they say, good enough for government work. One of my friends says that, and I think it's hilarious. And this is going to go right keep going and keep growing. Sorry, I had to really focus on that, guys. You know, sometimes I just get tunnel vision on this stuff, trying to not tear the whole spread apart. So it's not looking too shabby. I want to bring out a little of the black, just because I felt like it needed some balance from up here. That makes sense. And then I pulled these little bright green little tabs, and I'm just going to put them like here, and here. So I really hope that you guys have entered my giveaway, and I'm really excited about it because I hit 1,700 followers on Instagram. And I'm doing really well on YouTube, in my opinion. And I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel as well. And I am giving away a $100 gift card of your choosing for Michael's or for Joann's or for the Happy Planet. So that way you can pick out what you want. So we're going to take this great big green sticker, and we're going to put it right here. I just love being able to have all this space, you know, to write and put all this stuff down. And if I move this petal one more time, I'm going to aggravate myself. I get so irritated with stuff. Maybe that comes with maybe getting a little older, but it's like, oh, pull them up, put them down, pull them up, put them down. That just drives me crazy. Plus, I have a little OCD. And I'm going to put this one right. Yeah, I wanted it running into that right there. Okay, and then I'm going to put in this little flag here. And this little flag. I'm going to put it right here, just in case. There we go. There we go. Cute. All right. I think it's super cute. I think it turned out pretty good. That's my currently page. And what I'm going to do is on these, I'm going to try to keep track every day in this planner, because this is my dashboard, my catch-all planner. I'm really going to try to start losing some weight. And I want to try to track my weight each day so that I'm getting myself together here. So, anywho, this is my April currently page from my dashboard, classic dashboard planner. And I really, really like the vibrancy of the greens and the florals in here. It makes me feel like, you know, real springy type atmosphere. So, again, I used colorful boxes, this one, and I used this colorful boxes, and I used this colorful florals. So if you guys like today's video, I hope that you will consider giving me a big thumbs up. And if you like the planner content that you're seeing, I hope that you will consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video. And I hope that you really are enjoying the content. If you want to see anything different, or if there's something you're not seeing that you want to see, something that you want me to create for you, please let me know. I'd be happy to do that. So just remember to be blessed, be safe, and be kind. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, everybody.